Hi to everyone guys, in our new video. Today is the 1st of June and it's meaning that we will make a review of the best signals provider from MQL5 website. Those signals from MQL5 website that I'm mentioning to you, I'm using that one in my personal trading, and all those results and all those my recommendation, first of all from my own personal trading. I need to mention you one thing, that previous months I closed in minus. What size of minus and why it's happened like that, I will show you right now from my laptop. These top that I will choose for the next month, I will subscribe to them if you also interest into the investments and to the trading like me, and you want to try MQL5 website services to build a smart portfolio like I'm doing. Yeah, I'm waiting for your messages and I will provide for you also access to all those signals. Let's go to my laptop. I will show you my results from my previous months. I will show you my expectation from the next months, the signals that I choose for subscription, and I will let you know my top because it changed a little bit. I review, I don't know, approximately 200 signals, and I need to tell you something. First of all, we'll check my own account, and if we will go to see my results from the previous months, you see the profit was minus $2,800. As you know, my starting deposit was $30,000. And what was the biggest problem in that month? It happened because of the Nasakas, because one deal he closed minus 2,300. If we will go to my detailed statement, because I want to show you how it's look like. Right now it's not very nice, but we are still in plus, and this is good point. Even if you close your months in minus, it's bad because it wants to be consistent. But if we was everything in our frames of our maximum risk that we allowed to trade for that robot, it's not bad. The most important thing is made some conclusion and not to repeat those mistakes that we made in the previous months. What was my major mistake? And I understand that mostly of this system there was the same trading strategy they was trading at night. Of course, before I was not thinking about that because from the January all those months was closing in plus. Last month I was using these three signals: Nasakas, a fixed scalper. He also made minus 474 percentages last month. Even his biggest minus was minus 7.7 percentages, but he recovered a little bit till the end to the months. And then Algo Future, he was trading approximately zero. So this guy, he is not making like a good results in the profit, a lot of the deals with the short volume. So I will not subscribe to him to the next month. So I canceled subscription to the Algo Future. I cancel my subscription to a fixed scalper. And what is my decision for the next months? During like last day, I was checking approximately more than 100 signals providers. So all those red lines, it's meaning that I will never use them. Mostly of them, it's the martingale, and you know my opinion about martingales. Yellow one, that I like them, I want to pay attention to them, but I will not choose them. And the green one, it's meaning I will use for my subscription for the next months. So let me tell you these three signals, even top 4 that I recommend to pay attention for the next month. So top 4 of June from MQL5 website. First of all, this is the Nasakas. I know guys that he closed in minus, but still we need to give him some credit because he was trading with me for a long time. This minus, it's not big, but still I have some expectation that he will cover those risks in the next months. Then he has one more signal, it's called CNHN. Why I like this signal? Yeah, we can see that from the beginning of that year he had even 2 months in minus, in January minus 5%, May minus 3%. But sometimes he's trading very nice regarding profit. So in February his profit was 23 percentages. In August and September, October, you see in November, more than 10%, some months is even 20% of plus. You know, I like investing for a long time, and right now I'm interested in a little bit higher profit. I accepting the risk, but I need to understand that I can get way more profit than normal. You know, right now I'm not interested into the profit of 2 or 3 or 4% monthly. I'm investing. I know what does it mean risk, and I want to get some higher profit. Even next month I want to make one more experience, because some people with the small deposit, they are scaring. I'll open one more account, I think in ICM Capital or CPT International, with $500 of deposit. I will run the robots from MQL5 website with a little bit higher risk, and you will understand what does it mean a good profit when you're accepting a little bit higher risk. So don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel, because there I'm updating with the fastest news. So I'll use also that guy because I like them into the profit. Then triangle A line. This signal I can recommend for the guys who interest in more profit, who also understand what does it mean risk, and they accepting this risk, because previous months of course he made 11 percentages. August and September was 2 months in minus, but then October plus 11, November plus 19% monthly, and then December 43%. So from the beginning of this year, even with those minuses that happened last month, he already made 64%. And the last one that I highly recommend to pay attention on, and even I will subscribe to him, I will include this guy in my portfolio, it's calling VRV Sam Bot. So the drawdown 17%, trading volume is not so high, so he's not risky, he's trading with the stop loss too. And last month he made plus of 7%, 7.7. So it's meaning mostly guys they lost, and this guy he's made plus. So that's why those 4 signals I highly recommend to pay attention on, and I will personally include them in my subscription portfolio. If you have the same mind and the same passion to the robot trading, if you want to join my investment strategy, write me a personal message, and of course I will give you chance to use the same signals on your own account for free by opening account in my partner broker company. I'm getting small part of your commission. You are enjoying of using also these type of the signals for free. So thank guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share with your friends, because next video I will show you fantastic trading bot for the crypto that I made by myself, and you will be able also to use it in your personal trading. This robot trading at the Binance, so that's why it's even more interesting for us and for me. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you in our next video.